Hello everyone. Let's see how other students have enjoyed the Python with AI.
His courses are very interesting and challenging, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Happy coding.
I think that Python is extremely useful for the future.
The classes are very interesting and thorough with step-by-step instructions on how to complete the homework.
My favorite part of this course would have to be the projects because there is a big creativity aspect to it.
You can actually see the exact distance, and then it'll say 8.9 kilometers, right? We go back to our code, and then 8.87 kilometers, which is about right.
Once you get your code to finally work, it's really rewarding, satisfying.
We also get a lot of choice in our coding. He doesn't really restrict how we manage our code. As long as we get to the end product, we are fine, which I really enjoy considering that we can spread our imagination and creativity.
Throughout the levels 1, 2, and 3 of Python with AI, I have learned the basics and advanced aspects of coding along with web development.
I created a Discord server for the members of Python with AI, and it's always great to see everyone cooperating and having a good time.
I really like the PWA program. It starts right from the basics and it goes way up to the advanced stuff, and it lays down a really good foundation.
And then the sound.
For the fire hydrant analysis, the requirements are to load the JSON file into the Python dictionary. Here's our Python AI project presentation. So the assignment we had for optimization, one of the assignments we had. So the AI agent will place a number of hospitals in a community so that the overall distances between the houses and the hospitals are minimum.
Determine where the apple is, and then that data will be used in other functions where it can reward this or AI by going closer to the apple, or punish the AI for hitting a border. I can do a quick demo on the code. You just have to leave it to train for a while.
Python is a general-purpose programming language used by many companies like Google, Facebook, Apple, and many banks. Programming is cool, it's fun, and quite useful. It's one of the fundamental skills, just like English and math. Many students will select programming courses in high school. Learning Python can help you succeed in school. It can improve your critical thinking and problem-solving skills.
Reflection. Our thoughts about these projects. At the end of the day, this was an amazing opportunity to demonstrate the skills that we have learned from Mr. Goa. The fire hydrant code was interesting. It forced us to use the internet more than ever and research about modules that we weren't really familiar with. This project tested our ability to problem solve, and it was a fantastic way to challenge ourselves. So overall, this was a process that allowed us to improve and improvise on our knowledge that we have gathered throughout the level.